Hello sir, this is Ajit Singh from India. I am making a small video about my teaching and learning process. At present I am working in Deborah University Department of Computer Science since 2010. So here I am handling different courses and different department like Information Technology Department, IES, Management and etc. So I want to explain one topic here from the computer security. There is a network security, because daily we are using the internet, so we need a security. So how can we secure our data? It is possible because people are using the internet, so we need a security. How? By using the different protocols approach. So first of all I want to say, in a network security there is a four major areas. First one, authentication application and email security. Second one, IPsec security, and fourth one, the web security. For authentication means how can we authenticate the person if access the system. So for authentication application we use the digital signature and digital certificate. Digital certificate is more important for the authentication. And second one, about the electronic mail security. For electronic mail security we have two protocols. First one, the PGP protocol, and second one, the SMIME protocols. PGP and SIME both protocols are provide a authentication, data confidentiality and data integrities. So we use a both protocol for security purpose in the email system, because email system are based on the secure multi-purpose internet mail extension protocols. There is one standard, just like OSI model standard. Second one, the IPsec security. IPsec security is related to network. If we see the network, in network there are TCP/IP models. A TCP/IP model are contained in four layers. First one is the application layer. Second one is the transport layer, network layer, and the physically host-to-host layers. IPsec are implemented in the network layer of the TCP/IP model. Then IPsec are also implemented in the network connected devices. We can say the router. If we implement the router, and data are secure. How? If data is going from your secure network to unsecure network, data is encrypted and decompressed. Well, data is coming from your network, from other network to in your network, data is decrypted and decompress the data. So fourth one is about the web security. For web security we are using the SSL protocol and SAT protocols. SSL protocol only provide a secure communication channel between two parties. Suppose client and the server. So SSL protocol provide a secure communication link between client and the server. But it's not possible to provide only security network. We need a security for client side and the server side. Suppose we are using the e-commerce, yeah, we can say online buying and selling. That time we need a security from customer to merchant. So this problem are resolved by the SAT protocols. SAT protocol are provide a security for all party in a communication. So in a electronic transaction we are using the customer, merchant, payment gateway, acquire, certificate authority, and issuer. Issuer we are called the customer bank. Acquire we call it the merchant bank. Payment gateway handle the payment information. By using digital certificate we can provide a security to all parties. So this is my brief overview. If you have another question, you come to Skype, I will give you answers, sir. Thank you for watching my video. This is Ajit.